Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. So today I am starting a new series called Let's Talk Creps, which is going to be me going through my own personal collection, majority AirMax 90s, but we'll get into that a bit later. But I thought the way to start this series off would be to use the AirMax 90 Crepe itself. And without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so let's get into this. So, first things we need to know about this shoe. So this was designed by Tinker Hatfield and was released back in 2004, I believe it was. It was part of a 3-pack. It had the Airburst, the AirMax 1, and obviously this one here, which is the AirMax 90. That's the label there. So colourway wise, it's mushroom, birch, medium brown, and you'll see shortly as well that the air bubble is a golf blue. So let's get into this. So I just want to say first, love these boxes. Gotta love the old style Nike boxes. But anyway, let's have a look. So let's get these out. Also, you know it's a good old school shoe when it comes to the Archboards, but yeah, there we go. Right, let's move this out of the way. So, shoe itself, yeah. Really iconic, lovely shoe. As you can see, got a nice sort of suede going onto leather as well. Just a really nice shoe. A lot of people think that this bit here is a hemp. It's not actually hemp, it's a burlap, but easy mistake to make. But it is just a absolutely gorgeous shoe. So I've got these on eBay, as you probably saw by the eBay authentication. Got it for an absolute steal of a price. It is a used pair, but it's got a traditional gum sole to it. It's not the uncured latex like the AirMax 1s have, which made them famous and gave them the name of Crepe, whatever you want to say. That's how I say it. But yeah, lovely shoe, really worth the pickup, and definitely a head turner. Yeah, I mean, I imagine wearing these back in 2004, you would have got a lot of heads turning looking at that shoe. I mean, it was a premium. These came at a premium price. They sold for a lot more than the normal Air Maxes of that time. But you can see why. The material is just so good. It's so plush. There's so much padding in the tongue and around the sock liner. Just a really, really nice shoe. But yeah, I'm going to chuck these on foot and get some on feet for you as well. So let's go to that.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video about this amazing shoe right here. A little review in the on foot, and yeah, stay tuned for more content coming. Going to be doing a lot more of these, so like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and yeah, thank you so much. Take care now.